It's getting warm out. What's the perfect summertime drink? Vodka in a water gun. Sangria, Spanish roots, chopped up fruits, a lago de juice. So fill up the pool, blow up the float, and grab a glass of this classic summer cocktail. This is one-on-wine sangria. Sangria is an absolutely delicious mix of red wine, liquor, juice, and bubbles. Now, before we get into some recipes, let's get some history behind summer's most popular punch. Way back, when the early Greeks and Romans were chilling in the Iberian Peninsula, this is how you chill in the Iberian Peninsula, by the way, they had planted some sweet grapes. The water was loaded with bacteria, rendering it pretty much unsafe to drink, so they invented a drink called hippocras, which is Greek for, I didn't look it up yet. Hippocras was a mix of wine, water, sugar, and spices. The Greeks realized the tasty beverage not only killed the bacteria, but added flavor to the water and made you want to dance. Years later, the Spanish and Portuguese natives modified the idea of a wine cocktail, and like any great inventor, decided to add liquor. They would call their drink sangria, meaning blood, but sangria sounds way nicer. Hey, can we get a picture of blood? Are you gonna have some blood? Because I'm not gonna drink a whole pitcher of blood by myself. Soon the sangria blueprint laid out by the Spanish spawned an ocean of variations. The drink was spotted here and there in America, but didn't gain prominence until 1964. In 1964, New York held the World Fair. Sitting on a 646-acre sprawl in Flushing, Queens, the World Fair boasted 140 pavilions, 110 restaurants, representing over 80 nations and 24 states. The World Fair was a place for foreigners to show their stuff. The Madrid kiosk passed out sangria to all the guests, and the next thing you know, sangria was a hit in the US. There are a million different sangria recipes out there, and you might think, I don't have all that stuff. Stop yelling. As long as you keep some of these ingredients around, we can make it work. I'll give you 3 options depending on whether or not you have white, red, or rosé, but remember, the rules are pretty loose. Wine, triple sec, brandy, bourbon, whiskey, rum, fruit, citrus, juice or soda, and ice. Here's your classic red wine sangria. Lemons, limes, oranges, sugar, muddle, orange juice, brandy, bourbon, whiskey, rum, any liquor you prefer. Triple sec, red wine. Get in the fridge for a day, if you can stand it. Pull it out when you're ready to serve. Now, right before you serve it, I would add the club soda or ginger ale. Otherwise, it'll go flat in the pitcher. Now toss some ice in there.
Oh, that's like hypnotizing.
It's like a screensaver.
Yeah.
You can watch that for a while.
You can swap out the orange juice and club soda for orange soda if you want, see? Bring a little Dukes of Hazzard into it. Like I said, do what you want. Sangria ain't looking. Now let's say you have white wine. That's fine. Raspberries, strawberries, sugar, lime, lemon, muddle, vodka, triple sec, white wine. Now give it a couple days in the fridge. Pop it out, add some ice, and ginger ale. What about the scorchers? Those dog days of summer. This rosé recipe will cool you off better than a fire hose full of ice water. Here's what you need. Watermelon, strawberries, raspberries, lime, orange liqueur, agave, rosé, and a little bit of club soda. So there you have it, 3 different variations of sangria, but don't worry, you can make it however you want. Boom! You got sangria, but this one's mine. This one's mine. Oh, that's heavy. It's been soaking. Ooh, I'm stuck.